Yo, I'm gonna present you the best 3-cat spam loadout for 2024. Use the ultimatum because it's currently the best primary. You will want to use the bloody mercenary as it's the fastest shooting and it one taps. Use any meal that has the dash ability or any meal that has good mobility like the foam sword. Use the necklace of the Ice King, or if you don't have that, use the new one. For the sniper, use the anti-champion rifle because it has no pull-out delay and it one taps. And for the heavy, use the Pixel Cola refresher for rocket jump. Here's gameplay of me using the loadout.